Today, we're going to talk about returning to nature. Check this out. Ready for the park? Today we are in Sheep River Falls in Alberta. We're gonna go enjoy nature. Wow, look at the park, Bella. Isn't this worth it, sweetie? Whoa, that water's cold. Hi, girls. Bella Boo drinking the water. You like the water, her? Glacier water? She knows water's good for her. Do you like it here, sweetie? Oh, okay. See, he's like, just let us. Being around water, listening to water, amazing. We're gonna go on a short hike to the waterfalls. Energy and Stone. Today is a Thursday. It's nice being out here by the water. I'm gonna share my 5 best ideas on this book and just walk through nature and bring up what I feel. I just feel so happy right now. I want to put my feet, babe, I want to put my feet in the water. Gonna read this book in nature. Love it. Oh my gosh, have you seen my face? It's like a natural high. Oh my gosh, this whole time. Just like being by nature. Hello, trees. Hi, trees. We're on this bridge. Love it. Look how far it is, and this little doggy. It's good for you, sweetie. Good girl. Melissa and I are literally the only ones here. So amazing. Getting so many positive ions here. Thank you, waterfall. Thank you, nature. They're all like saying hello, all the trees. Love it. Thanks, trees. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Oh. Stop. Oh, she loves nature. See? Getting negative ions. There's my girls, and then here are the falls. Beautiful. Love this, love it. I'm the only one here. Love it. By myself. Melissa and Bella up there. They're waiting for me. I just can't leave this place. I don't know why I haven't visited sooner. down. Belsaru.
You know what's so funny?
Guess who came down? My girls came down. Yay! Oh, Bella likes the glacier water. Bella likes the glacier water. Bye, falls for now. Love you. Just finished off at the falls. Oh, that was an amazing experience. I just love how close it is. We're so lucky here. It's amazing. We're able to see different places in the world. We flew all the way to Korea to see waterfalls, and then we have this one hour away. So amazing. Hi, trees. Hi, tall trees. Yeah, let's go by the water. Just relax. Bella's such a good girl. Bella, you get your treats? Let's go get your treats. Return to nature book. I was born here in Calgary, Alberta, and I've never been to Sheep River Falls. Amazing. It's nice to go to a place where it's been quiet. Like, even though it's a weekday, it takes, all I know is just been going to Canmore, Kananaskis, and Banff, and this is a nice little sanctuary for it to be quiet, especially it growing, our city growing tremendously pretty fast. It's a nice sanctuary to get some solitude. This one deserves some treats. Belly loves this water. Water, love you. So, wifey, did you like it here?
Yes, but I'm done.
She's done. She wants to go to Winners. That's our weekend routine. How about you, Belly? Oh, she loved it. We're gonna go to the store now because my wifey likes stores. There's a trade-off for going to nature. Totally worth it. Lots of fun. He's a good girl. This beautiful meadow called Bighorn. You're supposed to see bighorn sheep. It reminds me of The Sound of Music. So cool. Love it. feel. So crazy. Love it here. Hi, trees. Love you, trees. Sweetie, you hardcore scratched me. I'm not sure what you want. Oh, shoot. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.